Good morning, my children. Today we are going to start a new lesson, that is Wild Animals, lesson 4. Now, everyone will be knowing what is wild animals. But in this chapter, we are not going to just name them, okay? We are going to identify their features, how they make their homes, or what are their eating habits. Okay, so in this lesson we are going in detail. Now I am going to start with page number 180. That is, Sajid is looking at the picture of animals given below. See the picture? Now help him identify the animals and write their names. Now we have to help him because he doesn't know anything. So we are helping him to identify the animals. I want you to underline identify. Identify. Identify means we have to explain, or we have to help him with this names. Now the first letter of the names of each animals has been given for you. Now the names of the animals, the first letter, they have given us the hint so that it will be easy for us. But we don't need the hint, right? We can identify this animal. Okay, now we are just starting. The first one is a tiger, it is Tiger. Second is lion, Lion. Third is a bear, it is Bear. Fourth is monkey, Monkey. Fifth is giraffe, Giraffe. And sixth is elephant, Elephant. I think in this page there is not much to explain. Everyone knows about this. So we can just jump to the next page. Okay. Now in page number 181, they are explaining wild animals and homes of wild animals. So we are starting with wild animals. Animals that live in forest are called wild animals. That everyone will be knowing. It is not that we can't call our pets as wild animals, right? For example, if I'm having a puppy, I'll not call him a wild animal because he's staying with me. He's my pet. Okay. So those animals who are in the forest, we call them as wild animals. Examples are tiger, lion, elephant, giraffe, bear, owl, and deer are some examples of wild animals. These are just examples. There are many. Okay, you all know we are having a long list of wild animals. Now they have shown the pictures also. Okay, in this I would love to underline, like I want you to underline elephant. Easy, I know, but then also just underline. And the next is giraffe. Okay, just learn the spellings. Now the next is, let us learn about the homes and the eating habits of wild animals. It is not necessary that one deer can live with the lion. No, they are having different homes, right? And the eating habit also, both of them don't eat the same food. They are having different food. So now in detail we'll come to know what are the eating habits and where do they live. Okay, now all animals need a home or a shelter to protect themselves from rain, cold, heat and enemies. I want you to underline shelter. It is Shelter. The next is themselves, Them, Selves, themselves. The next word is enemies, Enemies. Now all the animals need a home. It is not that they can just roam here and there. At night they have to protect themselves from the heat or from the cold or from the rain. Like, and some animals do have the enemies also. So for all this protection they need a home. Okay. Now wild animals like zebra, deer and lion live on land. Animals like monkey and birds live on trees. I'm so sorry. Animals like crocodile can live both on land and in water. Now, wild animals, they also have different specification about their homes or where do they live. Lion live on land, birds and monkeys live on trees. Crocodile, they can live both on land as well as on in the water. So in this lesson we will be learning in detail how do they live, where do they live, what are their eating habits, and how to classify them. Okay. So with this I have completed page number 180 and 181. Children, I want one thing. As soon as when you see this video, na, on the same day you read the chapter also. Try to read this chapter one or two times so that you will be thorough with this chapter. Okay, so today you will read page number 180 and 181. Okay, thank you.